Hey everyone, here is my tip of the day today. Your physical and mental health is a fine balance between your various neurotransmitters and hormones. Your hunger hormone, for example, ghrelin, increases if you are sleeping less than 6 hours a day. Ghrelin will make you feel hungry, you'll eat more and put weight on. On the other hand, leptin, which is your satiety hormone, will increase if you're getting 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep every day. Leptin will make you feel full and you will eat less. Make sure you get good quality sleep, go to bed and wake up at fixed times. Trying to avoid blue light, which is emitted through your mobile phones and laptops before you go to bed. Make sure your room is cool and dark. Sleep well, lose weight. Thank you.